and welcome back to Brooklyn Road. So what I thought we'd do is just a quick demonstration of a Class 40 with TTS Sound fitted. So I'll start it up in a minute. So this is 97407 Oriole, standard weathering. I love BR blue when it's weathered. And that is going on speed step 3 with TTS. That's very reasonable. I'll put it down a bit. 2, 1. So the crawl speed is there. Very nice. Bring it into shot a little bit more. Hold it there. So this is the Bachmann weathering, which I think is quite good for this. Saves me sending off to TMC anyway. So let's give you a horn. That's like notching up. Notching back down again. And that's full revs. Don't quite sound. We'll have to put an iPhone speaker in. I think I've got one spare anyway, so. So let's fire it away, make sure we're going forward, yep. There she goes. Now I have filled out a form in triplicate as usual to the household authorities, and I've ticked the promo box which says birthday. I've also ticked the promo box which says Christmas, so I'm hoping to get the latest Bachmann version of the Class 40, but I did see an elf mail back saying, "Ooh, Bachmann's increased the price again," but you never know, might be lucky, could be subject of a later video, so we'll have to wait and see. So I hope you enjoyed this short running session of this Class 40 TTS, and we will be firing it up with an iPhone speaker later on, probably in the new year, so we'll give it a blast.